Okay, I'm back, and I am doing a fluorescent painting. Well, some of the colors are going to be fluorescent. I have this Reflex Yellow by Amsterdam, and I've added a little bit of the Arteza Dreamy Lemon Yellow because I believe this is not transparent, and I want this color to stick. I don't want it to sink down and disappear like it did with one of my other paintings. I will put a link to which painting that was where it sunk in. It still looks really cool at the end, but it is definitely did not dry as bright as I wanted it. And then I'm using this. This is Liquitex Basics Acrylic Fluorescent Pink, and a few drops, actually almost half the bottle, of this Folk Art Bright Pink. This is satin acrylic paint by Folk Art, and I'm hoping that this will also cause this not to be too transparent. And then for my green, well, it's a teal, I have this Artist Loft Aqua Green, but I added quite a few drops of the Golden Fluid Acrylics Teal. I really love this color, and I thought it was a really good addition to this teal, and hopefully these come out great. These are not transparent, so I'm not gonna have a problem with these. And then lastly, my blue, because of course there's blue in this. Now, this was really already cool, as the Extreme Sheen Deco Art usually is. This is Sapphire. But it just seemed a little too, I guess the word shiny, bold blue, maybe? I don't know. So I added a few drops of this, and I kind of like the way the sheen of it is. It's, to me, it's just right. And I'm only going to be using a little bit of this blue anyway, so we'll see how that looks. And these are not transparent, so I don't have to worry about them sinking into the paint. This is a very small painting. This is a wood canvas painting. This is an 8x8. I have two of them that I'm going to be experimenting with today. I just wanted to do something fun and nothing too serious. It's kind of a very cold weather here in Connecticut, so I am deciding now that I think I'm going to put this teal down as my base, because sometimes what happens is when you put it down on these wood canvases, the paint just doesn't move, and I want it to flow good. So I will be right back with the with flooding this. I'll be right back. Before I forget, the fluorescent pink and the fluorescent yellow do not have Floetrol in them. I find that the Floetrol totally, I'm going to make this one drop all the way down to the bottom. I find that the Floetrol dulls these fluorescent colors. This is so cool right here. Oh, I'm not touching it. I'm going to torch it one more time, but I'm not going to touch it. I touched it, people. Do you see that I touched it? That's okay. Oh, I kind of like that corner now. I love this right here. That is so cool. It literally looks like fire. All right, now I'm really not going to touch it. All right, we'll see how this dries. Take 2, or is this take 3? Anyways. It is a little bit of a busier painting than what I usually, now what am I saying? Of course I usually do busy. Okay, I am back with a hopefully somewhat fluorescent painting. Today I'm using Amsterdam, geez, Cherish. Okay, try this again.